All right, mates, let's talk smoothies. They're dead easy, absolutely delicious, and brilliant for shifting those stubborn pounds. No dodgy diet fads here, just good, honest ingredients blitzed into a glorious drink. These recipes are easy peasy, even if you're a complete novice in the kitchen. Just bung everything into your blender, whiz it up, and you're good to go. It's the perfect way to start your day or enjoy a healthy treat. Think leafy greens, vibrant berries, and metabolism-boosting spices, all blended into a symphony of flavor. So, are you ready to embark on this delicious journey to a slimmer you? Grab your blender, your favorite glass, and let's get whizzing. First up, we've got the green machine. Don't let the name fool you. This bad boy is bursting with flavor. We're talking a handful of spinach, a squeeze of lemon, a knob of ginger, and a green apple for sweetness. Blitz it all up with some ice-cold water, and you've got yourself a refreshing green powerhouse that'll kickstart your day. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The lemon juice adds a zingy twist and aids digestion, while ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Swap your usual sugary breakfast cereal for this green goodness and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. You'll feel lighter, brighter, and ready to take on the day. Calling all coffee lovers. If you're looking for a healthier way to kickstart your mornings, look no further than the Java Burn Mocha smoothie. This delicious concoction combines the rich, satisfying flavor of coffee with metabolism-boosting ingredients for a truly invigorating experience. We're talking a shot of freshly brewed espresso, a frozen banana for creaminess, a spoonful of unsweetened cocoa powder, a dash of cinnamon, and a scoop of Java Burn. Java Burn supercharges your metabolism, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Plus, it gives you a sustained energy boost without the jitters or crashes often associated with sugary coffee drinks. Ditch those sugary lattes and opt for this guilt-free alternative. Now that's what I call a win-win. Section 4, Tropical Sunshine, the Okinawa Belly Blaster, ready to be transported to a tropical paradise? The Okinawa Belly Blaster smoothie is like a mini vacation for your taste buds. This exotic blend combines the sweet and tangy flavors of pineapple and mango with the creamy goodness of coconut milk, creating a symphony of flavors that'll leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Pineapple is a natural digestive aid, thanks to an enzyme called bromelain, which helps break down protein and reduce bloating. Mango is rich in antioxidants and fiber, while coconut milk provides healthy fats that keep you feeling satisfied. Imagine sipping on this tropical paradise while supporting your body's natural fat-burning processes. Section 5, Pure Revive Power. Unleash your inner athlete. Calling all fitness enthusiasts and gym bunnies. The Pure Revive Power smoothie is here to fuel your workouts and help you recover like a champ. This protein-packed powerhouse combines the goodness of berries, Greek yogurt, and a secret ingredient that'll take your performance to the next level. Berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, while Greek yogurt provides a hefty dose of protein to support muscle growth and repair. Pure Revive protein powder is made with high-quality ingredients and is free from artificial sweeteners, flavors, and colors. Whether you're hitting the gym hard or simply looking for a nutritious and delicious way to fuel your body, the Pure Revive Power smoothie is the perfect choice. It's like a protein shake and a delicious treat all rolled into one. Section 6. Cheers to a healthier you. So there you have it, mates. 4 fantastic smoothie recipes that'll have you whizzing your way to a slimmer, healthier you in no time. These recipes are packed with natural goodness designed to boost your metabolism, support digestion, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients, adding your own personal twist to each recipe. The most important thing is to find what you enjoy and what works best for your body. A little note from your mate, Jamie. Some of the links in this article are affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission if you click through and make a purchase. Cheers to your health.